Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change Equalizer preset for your earbuds SOUNDCORE P40i. You have to start by open SOUNDCORE application. Now click on your earbuds here and then you need to tap at the sound effects. Right here we have 5 presets, and if you like some of this preset, just tap at the best one for you. Let's say bass boost is okay for me, so I tap on it and we select it. But these earbuds have much more presets and you need to click more to find it. And right here, as you can see, we have a bit more. And let's say you wanna add hip hop preset. Firstly, you need to remove one of these 5 presets. Click edit. And let's say I don't need bass reducer, so click at this minus icon. We have 4 preset, cool, so we can finally add one more preset. Click at the plus near to the hip hop or another preset if you wanna select another, and then click save. Now you can click right here at your favorite preset and go back, or you can also click right here. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!